China's May consumer price index jumped 2.5% to a 4-month high, while producer prices, or wholesale prices, were lower than expected. That data means that higher food prices as the government tries the mini stimulus measures to encourage spending. All this while policymakers are trying to find a balance between boosting growth and ballooning debt. Maryam Behmard joins us now live from Shanghai. And Maryam, I know you're watching this rising food prices, which is putting pressure on domestic demand.
Yeah, actually, food prices jumped 4% in May, making it the major contributor to the month's higher inflation. And that's due to, in large part, to recovery of the pork prices, of course, together with last year's low base, and that's according to analysts. Now, there's certainly concern that prices will keep going up, but it seems so far that inflation is still well below the government's target of 3.5%. That has left Beijing some room to step up targeted policy support to shore up the economy. Beijing has recently unveiled new mini stimulus programs to stimulate growth in the world's second largest economy. As to producer prices, what we're seeing is a consistent downward trend with the PPI down 1.4% in May, the 27th consecutive month of decline, narrowing from that 2% decline that we saw in April. The figure still shows that manufacturers struggling to cope with profit-eating price declines.
Okay, hang on there a second. So the economy is slowing. They're going to do this mini stimulus plan, and at the same time, they want to control this debt situation. How's that all going to work?
Well, so far policymakers have taken a pretty prudent approach, but after recent data, it's really clear that the government will inject liquidity to certain sectors at the expense of its debt. But these are small injections for investment in railways and construction, which analysts believe will not put a large dent into the overall recovery picture. Back to you.
All right, Maryam, trying to explain this to us live in Shanghai. Thank you.